So besides realizing that it'd be cool to make like a functional part in SolidWorks and then show how you can actually design it out and make it real quick. And I had to tweak it a little bit. I realized after I was printing it, I put uh, my diameter for the radius, so I fixed it. So I'm going to have a usable part. Hopefully, you can hear it in the background printing right now. So I wanted to show you this real quick. I started the project with the students in my Microsoft TEALS class for Austin High School, and while I was showing them the stuff, I also uh, added a few things. So I made some adjustments to Einstein himself because, like, just kind of the way the color was and everything, I wanted to give it a little bit more depth. So I switched the way the gradient was, and I also put a white star pattern in it, so you can kind of see how there's striations of white going out through Einstein himself. You can actually look at the code to where I did this star pattern, and I did 270 points. So it kind of striates out and everything, and it gives it a lot more white, but it still has a gradient of light gray. So it does give it a little bit of depth as it's going out too, to make it almost feel like a circular object. And then I did some adjustments to the way that the iris moved within the way the pupil moved within the iris itself. And then there was a little bit of a herky-jerkiness to it, so I also adjusted to where it actually goes to the center as you get closer to the center as well. So there's a little bit less herky-jerky, but you still get like that extension out to where it's almost like you're tugging the eyeball out, which is kind of fun. The other thing is, still got my thumb up, but what I ended up doing is I used the on key hold function to where I kind of animated the fist bump, but not to the degree like it's not actual animations, it's just enlarging, so it gives the effect of animation. So if you hold the F for fist bumping, you can literally get your fist coming out at you to do the fist bump. But it does actually reset if you release the key, so it's kind of nice. So boot, 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 boot. We do get the fist bump. But yeah, those are a few of the additions I did. It was kind of fun. Good times.